Apple beats Google, Microsoft and Samsung to become the most valuable brand in the world. Apple leads the Best Global Brand report, beating Coca-Cola, Amazon, Google, Samsung, and numerous other important brands. The report has been put forward by Interbrand, a multinational brand consultancy, strategy, and management firm. It publishes the best global brands annually, and keeping the tradition alive, it has revealed this year's report as well. The report contains the world's 100 most valuable brands identified on the basis of 1. Financial standings, products, and services. 2. Influence of the brand on consumers. 3. The importance of the brand through which it charges premium to the consumers. Top growing brands. According to the report revealed for the year 2017, the world's top most growing brands are Facebook, Amazon, and Adobe. It is interesting to note how Facebook has increased its brand value by almost 50% if compared with the last year. Given that the platform played an immense role in the presidential elections of US just last year, it might not come as a shock to many. Best global brands. Apple has been crowned as the leader owing to its influence, financial standing, and brand value throughout the world. Apple has just recently released the iPhone X, which is considered the best phone Apple has ever produced, with a bezel-less screen and other new, unique features. Here is the growth history of Apple considered brand value in $1 million. Apple is followed by Google, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, and Amazon.